Hey guys, I hope you're all fine. So today we are going to learn how to create mockups on Canva. Many people don't know about this, but you can create amazing mockups easily on Canva. Most people think that it is hard to create mockups, but today I'm going to show you how you can create amazing mockups easily with Canva. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So here's the important thing. First, you need to know what type of mockup do you want to make. If it is about t-shirt, mugs, or pillows, or curtains, etc., or any other thing, we are going to create a mockup of t-shirts here. You can make anything you want. We are just taking t-shirt for example. So simply write t-shirt. And when you write t-shirt, it will show you a standard measurement of t-shirt, which is 14 by 18 inch. So just simply click on it. After clicking on t-shirt, you will see many templates. You can choose any of them. They are top notch. But if you want to create one from scratch, simply click on create a blank t-shirt. And you will be redirected to a new tab. And then you will see a blank canvas like this. And then you have to search for a color box. For that you will have to click on it. And then a color box will appear here. So click on the color box if you want to make from scratch. And choose the color you want. For me, I will choose black color here. And now we will add some text on this t-shirt. So click on text. You can choose from any font combinations you want. There are so many font combinations. We are just going to choose this one. You can write anything you want here. I'm going to write how to tech guide. The name of our channel. Kindly subscribe. You will need to adjust it in the center. And maybe add some spacing in it. Okay, now it's looking good. And now we will add some patterns. For that you will need to go into elements and then search for pattern. I'm just trying to make a sample here. You can do anything with it if you want. Then click on graphics and choose any pattern from here. I will just choose this. It looks cool. Okay, so now the text looks good. And then you need to click on the share button here. Just click on it. And here you need to search for 3 dots which says more. So click on the 3 dots and then you need to search here Smart Mockups. And there you go. You just need to click on it and then simply click on save button. It will say preparing your design. Just wait for it for some seconds. And then what you need to do is either you can continue editing or make it even better, or we are just going to click on view in Smart Mockups. And then here we come on the Smart Mockups website. There are thousands of mockups here, ranging from technology, packaging, apparels, home and living, seasonal, and many other. We are just going to make a mockup for t-shirts. So click on t-shirts. Congratulations guys. As you can see, we have successfully created mockups from our own designs. So if you have any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button. See you soon. Take care.